Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to do an eggless Christmas cake. Take about 3 by 4 cups of sugar. To this add 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this well and let this sit for about 10 minutes for the baking soda to react. This is after 10 minutes. Add about half cup of melted butter to this and mix it well. After mixing this properly, we'll move on to the dry ingredients. This is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, to this add 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Sieve this once. Our dry ingredients are ready. Now we'll mix this into our wet ingredient. Add the flour little by little and just fold and mix properly. This is properly mixed now. To this, we'll add 1 by 4 cup of chopped dates, 1 by 4 cup of tutti frutti. You can add any kind of dry fruits and dry nuts. To this, we are going to add the nuts and the raisins, that is cashews, almonds and pistas. The batter is ready now. We'll grease the cake tin with oil. If you want, you can use the parchment paper also. Now transfer the cake batter into the tin. Tap this well to make the batter even. This is ready. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees C and bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes at the same temperature. Our cake is ready now. Check whether the cake is baked properly. If not, you can very well extend the time for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is ready now. Let this cool down completely. After it gets cooled down, you can turn this. Our eggless fruit and nuts cake is ready. If you do like our videos, please share, comment and like our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos.